Diaprochle, leaving you out in the cold. When the breeze passes through cascading clusters of violet-blue blooms, there's something almost magical about the way wisteria transforms a garden into a dreamscape. Wisteria is one of those plants that captures hearts after mesmerizing drooping blossoms and sweet fragrance. It's a symbol of beauty, patience, and growth. Leaving you out in the cold. If you've ever walked beneath a blooming wisteria arbor, you know it feels like stepping into a living painting. With the right care, you can bring that enchantment into your own backyard. Growing wisteria might seem intimidating at first because of its climbing nature and vigorous growth, but with the right guidance, anyone, even to be the cold, can nurture this breathtaking vine into a masterpiece. The secret lies in balanced, proper planting, pruning, and patience. Let's dive deep into how you can successfully grow and care for wisteria in the United States, from choosing the right variety to ensuring long-lasting blooms year after year. Wisteria is a hardy, cold, fast-growing vine belonging to the pea family Fabaceae. It can live for decades, even centuries, when well cared for. Its clusters of fragrant, cascading flowers bloom in shades of lavender, violet, pink, and white, typically during spring or early summer. Each variety has its own unique charm. The two most popular types in the U.S. approaching you out in the cold are Chinese wisteria, Wisteria sinus, and Japanese wisteria, Wisteria floribunda. There's also American wisteria, Wisteria frucens, which is less invasive and perfect for eco-friendly gardeners seeking native plants. If you live in the United States, especially in USD zones 5 through 9, wisteria thrives beautifully. Southern states like Georgia, Texas, and Diaprochle, leaving you out in the cold in Florida, provide ideal conditions, while northern gardeners can enjoy its blooms with proper protection and care. The first step in growing wisteria is choosing a sunny location. These vines adore sunlight. They need at least 6 hours of direct sun per day to bloom abundantly. Shade tolerant they are not. Too little light means fewer flowers, more leafy growth. Leaving you out in the cold, select a strong structure like a pergola, archway, or trellis. Once most wisteria vines can weigh hundreds of pounds, so sturdy support is essential. Next comes soil preparation. Wisteria loves well-draining, moderately fertile soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH of 6 synthines. And before planting, leaving you out in the cold, mix organic compost into the soil to improve texture and moisture retention. If your soil is heavy clay, add sand or perlite to enhance drainage. Plant wisteria in early spring or fall, giving its roots time to establish before extreme weather. Dig a hole twice wide as the root ball, but only as deep. Place your vine in the center. Fill it with enriched soil. Leave the approach leaning out in the cold and water deeply. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and keep roots cool during hot summers. One of the most important aspects of growing wisteria is pruning. It may seem daunting, but pruning is what transforms a wild vine into a blooming beauty. Without regular pruning, wisteria tends to grow along leafy shoots that tangle and produce few flowers, leaving you out in the cold. Start training your wisteria when it's young. Allow 1 or 2 main stems to climb the support and remove any competing shoots. Once established, prune twice yearly, once in late winter to shape and remove old growth, and again in summer to trim back long new shoots. In winter, cut back side shoots to just 2 or 3 buds. Leave in the cold. This encourages flower bud formation in spring. During summer, shorten the seed's new growth to about 6 inches, controlling spread while maintaining elegance. Watering wisteria correctly is another key to success. Young plants need consistent moisture to establish strong roots, especially in their first 2 years. Leaving you out in the cold, water deeply once during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Wisteria dislikes soggy roots, which become drought tolerant but still benefit from occasional deep watering in hot months. Fertilizing should be moderate. Overfeeding, especially with nitrolyzer, encourages leafy vines at the expense of blooms. Leaving you out in the cold, use a balanced or low nitrogen fertilizer along compost and organic matter. Wisteria blooms best after it reaches maturity, usually 3 to 5 years after planting. This requires patience, but the reward is worth it. Once the vine starts flowering, you'll enjoy cascades of blossoms every spring. To enhance blooming, leaving you out in the cold, reduce watering in late summer, avoid over-fertilizing, and ensure it gets full sun. If your wisteria refuses to bloom, try root pruning in early spring. Use a sharp spade to cut some roots about 2 feet from the main trunk. This mild stress can encourage flowering. Pests and diseases are rarely major issues for wisteria, but aphids, scale insects, school cold, and mealybugs can occasionally appear. Spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap handles them naturally. Fungal problems like powdery mildew occur in humid conditions, so ensure good air circulation around the plant. You can also grow wisteria in containers, though it requires more attention. Choose a dwarf variety, leaving you out in the cold, such as Wisteria frucens and Amethyst falls, which is compact and manageable. Use a large, heavy pot with drainage holes and rich potting mix. Prune regularly to maintain size and water consistently. One of the most breathtaking ways to showcase wisteria is by creating an arbor tunnel or pergola drape with cascading blooms. With each spring, violent in the cold. If the vine rewards your patience with fray to attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, it's a living artwork, changing with the seasons, growing more majestic each year. Wisteria also symbolizes devotion, creativity, and new beginnings, perfect for those who love to nurture growth both in gardens and life. Before planting, Cole, remember that Wisteria's vigorous nature demands respect. Choose your planting spot carefully, away from delicate structures or small trees. Give it space to thrive and a solid foundation to climb. With care, patience, and love, leaving you backfired in the cold, you'll witness Wisteria's poetic transformation. From a simple vine to a breathtaking curtain of cascading blooms that fills your garden with elegance, fragrance, and life. So start today, plant your dream, watch it unfold one blossom at a time. Bring beauty and calm to your garden with Wisteria, a symbol of patience and grace. Don't just admire nature, quickly grow it. Start your Wisteria journey today and turn your backyard into a timeless bloom film.